Right, so today we're going to look at something a little bit different. We're going to look at values. Now, not so much how much a coin is worth now, but how much it was worth in the Greek world in the 5th and 4th centuries BC. Now, we've got a wealth of evidence for how much things cost back then. So let's start with the coins. Here we have a silver obol. Tiny, tiny coin. It weighs less than a gram. And this is how much a slave miner in, say, the mines at Lorien mining silver would have earned in a day, including food, so bread and water. But a very small coin, and a housemaid would expect to earn 2 of these in a day. And 3 would be paid to a mud carrier, that is somebody who gets mud to make bricks but doesn't actually make the bricks. This is a triobol, but more commonly they probably would have been paid just 3 little obols. This is the dram. It's one of the most common denominations from the time. This is a silver dram of Alexander the Great, who reigned in the 4th century BC. And a soldier, a hoplite, a Greek hoplite, would have been paid 2 of these per day, so a pretty good wage. An architect would also expect to earn 2 drams. Now, we get some other interesting expenses from the period. We know, for example, that 2 of these tetradrams, so 8 drams in total, would have bought a pair of shoes. We know that a cow was worth 50 drams, and we also know that a house was worth 2,000. So 2,000 days' work for an average labourer is quite a lot to buy a house. A trireme, the backbone of Greek power, was 6,000 drams. And we know that just 1 dram would have bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 litres of wine. And finally, the biggest expense we have on record, the walls of Athens, which connected Athens to the sea, cost a whopping 17 million of these drams, and that's enough to fill a small swimming pool.